How to convert CapCut videos to 4K quality. First, open your CapCut app and select the video that you want to edit. Once you are here, scroll through the buttons and options below until you find Adjust. Select Adjust and here, scroll through until you find Graph. Now simply follow the steps that I will be doing here on the screen. As you can see, I'm changing this white, red, green, and blue. Once you are done, just click check and then make sure that it is applied to the whole video. After making sure of that, export the video since we will be using that later. Then here in the same CapCut edit, delete what we did earlier and then add the exported video earlier that we made as an overlay. Scroll the buttons under and click overlay, add overlay, then add that video that we did earlier. Once you're done with that, select the blend option. Then select the same blend option and the same intensity that I will put here. Then your video should look like this. And add another overlay of a white blank picture. And follow the same blend technique here again with the same intensity that I will put. Make sure to put it all throughout the video. And export it once you're done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.